That's okay. Just being new, okay. I'm gonna see if I can hit that Gatorade bottle up there.
What are you using?
My 45 Taurus PT 145 Millennium Pro. I ain't gonna point it at you. Well, I might be drinking too. Here we go. Put that shit back here. Yeah, like a... Okay, Tim, what are you going to shoot?
It's my black powder gun, my bone collector. So far I've only collected one bone with it though.
Okay, what are you shooting?
A little Gatorade bottle. It pissed me off earlier today.
Okay, let's see if we can find it. Okay, it is ready to go. I don't know where it went, but it was ready to go.
Well, the bottle's not there. It's down at the bottom with the other one.
Oh, I see. If I can find it through all the smoke. You may have to shoot it, kill it the rest of the way with the 22.
I think you better. I think
See if we can kill it.
It doesn't look like it's dead yet. I think it's still breathing.
We shall see what the Walther can do. I think they're dead.
Just in case.
Tim gonna finish him off with his Marlin 22.
Those just go right through it.
Yeah.
Didn't even see him wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle.